Hello, Scott with Smoking Airplanes. We're going to do an unboxing today. This is what you get when you order one of our systems. Let's take a look. All right. Okay, here's the system. This is an SA-201 system. Got your pump right here and a little straggler peanut. Got some AN fittings for connecting the hose. This is complete. Next thing we got is your pressure hose. Instruction manual says detailed instructions on how to install and maintain the system. Your mounting brackets for mounting the system to your aircraft floor. Fit on like that. There are 4 of them, 1 for each side. Some tie wraps for your wiring. Bulkhead fitting. Then here we got your stainless steel braided line and your injectors and exhaust clamps. Check valve. This is a one-way check valve. Connects to the air-equipped hose and the bulkhead fitting. Prevent the oil from going backwards. Then we have this little bag here, which has all of your electronics. This is your switches, your relays, extra wiring, everything you need. This is 100% complete. You need nothing else to install this in your airplane. We supply all the parts. Thank you for supporting Smoking Airplanes.